talking to your friend. Let me hear from you. Please let this session be interactive session. Whenever I ask a particular question, it's always good if you share with me what you know. First thing that I would want to know from you all is, what do you understand by the word search engine optimization? Anyone with even a small or little bit of knowledge? Yeah.
If we type a keyword in our search engine, then we should get the most relevant result for what we have searched. That is, I think, search engine.
Okay. May I know your name, please? Amrita has given a good reply. It's basically getting in the results what you are looking for. It's about searching something on, for example, Google, and getting what you want. That is search engine optimization. Anybody else? Okay. Now search engine optimization is made up of three different words. The first one is search, second one is engine, and third one is optimization. First of all, let us understand what is search. If you understand search, then if you understand engine, and then if you understand optimization, majoritarily you will understand what exactly is search engine optimization. So what is a search? Search in real life, search in online, or search anywhere. What is search? Finding something. To find something. Okay? So what is the difference between find and discover? One by one. Can someone please raise the hand? And yes. Okay, it's some sort of invention or something like that. That is his answer. Anyone else who want to give a try? Difference between find and discover. See, find is why do you want to search? Why do you want to search? Because you need certain information. Am I right? So there is a necessity. Understand? There was a necessity of a speaker for this session. There was a necessity. मतलब भूख लगी है. अगर भूख लगी है और फिर खाना दिया जाए तो वो खाना हजम होता है. Getting it? This is from the businessman point of view. This is from the businessman point of view. If anybody is searching on the net, the first thing that should come in your mind is that person is in need of certain information. Okay? So that means if a person is in need of a certain information, and then if you provide that information will be immediately accepted, grasped, understood, etc. Am I right? Okay. अगर आपको लेक्चर अटेंड करने की चाह न हो, और अगर आप लेक्चर अटेंड कर रहे हो फोर्सिबली, then nothing will go in your head. But if you come with an open mindset that I want to learn, open mindset is very important. Open mindset, ये जो mind है, इसको open करके आना है. अगर ओपन करके आते हो, खाली डिब्बा लेके आते हो, तो उसमें कुछ भरा जा सकता है. अगर ये बंद है, अगर ये पूरा फुल है, तो nothing will go inside. So, if there is a need, then the first thing is done. If you are a search engine optimization expert, or if you are a business owner, and if you want to target certain group of people who are in need of certain information specific to your business, specific to your website, then the ones who are searching are your target group and they are in need. समझ में आया? Now you must understand the macro view. You must understand the macro view कि why search engine optimization is very important. Because it gives the traffic to your business website. कोई भी बिजनेस करना हो तो उसमें कस्टमर्स चाहिए तो पहले कस्टमर्स को विजिट करवाना पड़ेगा अपनी प्लेस के ऊपर। इफ इट इज अ शॉप then you invite customers to come down to your shop, visit your shop, and then further do the shopping. But first step is bringing them to your shop. Similarly, on online media, you need to pull the traffic to your website. The pull can happen in two ways. Either you pull the needy ones or you pull the ones who are not in the need. Who will be useful to you? The needy ones. Okay, and that is where search engine optimization plays very important role. Got it? So, first thing is understand the word search. Is this clear? Search समझ में आ गया? Okay. Now next one is engine. What do you mean? What do you understand by the word engine? Yes, please. Sorry. Something which requires input and gives certain output. It's an engine. Yes, 100%. It is a machine. Ultimately, it's a machine. चाहे कोई भी engine हो, locomotive हो या कोई car का engine हो या कोई भी हो. Any engine is a machine which works based upon certain instructions. Okay, those instructions are given in machine language, which machine can understand. Okay, so machine and humans are different. What makes them different? What makes them different? Just give a guess. What makes them different? The thinking power, the intelligence. The thinking power, the intelligence makes them different. So now Google is a search engine. Google is a search engine. That means this search engine will do what is being instructed it to do. Okay? There are certain programs written. Before the programs, there are certain algorithms written by Google engineers, Googlers. So what do? They try to write down the algorithm, then convert it to certain code, and that code works behind the search, Google search. So now this Google search is totally based upon the algorithm, the code. It is not 100% based on the intelligence. Okay, like for example, अगर आप Google को पूछेंगे कि भाई मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का नाम बताओ, वो अभी उतना डेवलप नहीं हुआ है, but it is on the verge. It is on the verge. If you want, you can switch to Google now और Google search bar में जो माइक का बटन है उसको प्रेस करके you can ask this question. You'll be surprised to receive the answer. Okay, coming back. So engine will do what is it told to do. Getting it? So if you want to really get the work out of engine, you will have to speak in which language? If you want to get the work out of that engine, you will have to speak in which language? The machine language. That means the language which the machine can understand, or the algorithm can understand, or the code can understand. Okay? So if you are smart enough to think from the other's point of view, see, there are two views to anything. First view is what I see, and second view is what the others see. Okay? So if you want to be search engine optimization expert, then the first thing that you must understand is always look from the others point of view. And in the others category, I mean two parts. The first one is look from the engine point of view, and the second one is look from the customers who are searching for you, for your business. So there are two things that you must understand. If you master this second part, that is understanding the engine, then you will be a master in SEO. And what do I mean by mastering SEO? I believe that every business owner, or every CEO, or every CMO, or every CXO should be an SEO expert now. Because more than 50% of the business comes from online. So if they want to survive their business, they will have to. Even if you are not interested in search engine optimization, but you are interested in joining a business or doing a business, then it is must for you to understand what I am telling you. So, second part was engine. Engine mein, so now if you want to understand Google, what is the easiest way to understand Google engine? Any guess? The easiest way to understand Google search engine or any of the app or any of the software is by reading the help provided with it. The worst part is, in my 15 years of career with online media, I have seen so many people who don't understand this. So if you want to start, it will take certain time. But start with by laying the foundation which is very strong. So the foundation begins with reading the search help that is provided by Google. Sometimes it is also known as guidelines. Okay? So if you are noting down this, then please note down, there is a PDF file available provided by Google. You can search in Google SEO guide by Google. SEO guide by or SEO guidelines by Google. It's a PDF file. Very basic, very basic. It is for the beginners जिनको कुछ भी नहीं आता है, वेबसाइट बनाना भी नहीं आता है, वेब पेज भी नहीं आता है, nothing. Don't worry. It's very easy guide. So if you read that particular file, that will give you better understanding of what is happening behind. What is happening behind? What is happening at the engine level? Okay? Believe me, here I am not telling you to learn the machine language. Here I am not telling you to learn the programming language. Here it is from the user's point of view. Okay? Just go through that file. So in your free time, start with this guide. Okay? There are certain very good websites which give you SEO knowledge. Moz is one of them. Search Engine Land is another website. These websites also provide SEO guides. Okay? They are also good. But then you start with the Google search engine guide, and that will give you idea about what exactly Google wants from you. See, if machine wants something in certain format, if you give in that format, then only machine will give you the desired result. Okay? अगर मशीन आपसे डिमांड कर रहा है कि give me some raw material such as some chemical, and instead of that chemical, if you provide some other chemical, the machine will not give you the desired result. So if you want to pull the traffic, if you want to get the customers for your business, you will have to provide the search engine what it wants. And to provide that, you need to understand what it wants. Getting it? Okay. Now, we have covered what is search, we have covered what is engine. The third and the best part is, what is optimization? What is the English dictionary meaning of the word optimization? Anyone? Optimize मतलब क्या होता है? कोई भी लैंग्वेज में से चलेगा, इंग्लिश जरूरी नहीं है. Okay, students, listen one thing. How many of you want to become successful in life? Okay. अब ये क्वेश्चन है, ये क्वेश्चन जनरली इस पर्टिकुलर सेशन रिलेटेड नहीं है, बट ये मैंने इसलिए अभी पूछा बिकॉज आई थॉट इट इज नेसेसरी. नॉर्मली व्हेन आई टेक अ सेशन आई आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन, और पता है सब जगह पर कॉमन है. I get 3 types of answers. The first one, yes, I want to become successful in life. Second, and third one, what does it depict? ये जो 3 answers है, what do they tell about you? The first one, what does it say? What does it say? Confidence. I want to win. I want to become successful. I want to win. And believe me, those who can think like winners can become winners. Nobody else. So over here you are studying. Right now you are having lots of fun. But remember, in your life, if you want to become successful, don't just read only the quotes available on Facebook and WhatsApp. Start developing your mind. Think like a winner. So first thing is, if you want to become successful, you will have to think like a winner. Second option, भाई तू successful बन रहा है, तू भी बन रहा है, चलो मैं भी बन जाता हूँ. यहाँ पर जितने लोगों के मुंह पे स्माइल आई, it is what was there in your mind when I asked the question. And that is the fact. मैं आपको बहुत सच्ची बात बताऊंगा. I have faced more than 20,000 students in my education life. And if you are a bit serious what I am talking about, you will understand. And third one were very much confident, I don't want to become successful in life. Successful का मतलब सिर्फ पैसा नहीं है. Successful is in life पे बोला था. That means family life, everything, your professional life, everything. So this is the best thing that I could have given today, other than the SEO part, is think like a winner. And believe me, my dear friends, दुनिया में इतनी कंपटीशन हो गई है कि लोगों को अपॉर्चुनिटी ग्रैब करनी पड़ती है. Am I right? I gave you one opportunity. I asked certain question. जिसके माइंड में बिजनेस का कीड़ा लगा है, जो सेल्स का कीड़ा है, those who want to become successful, they will take this opportunity. और ये अपॉर्चुनिटी सिर्फ बिजनेस जब स्टार्ट करूंगा तब मैं करूंगा नहीं होता है. You will have to make it a habit. So in your classrooms, in your sessions, make a habit of always thinking like a winner. And whenever you get an opportunity, take that opportunity immediately. यहां पर जितने भी लोग बैठे हैं, सबको मैंने अपॉर्चुनिटी दी थी कि how many anybody want to share? I got only one or two answers, one or two hands raised. If you are not serious and if you think that this session is a forcible session, then you may leave. I will not mind. But if you are over here, then try to understand, try to learn from me. So, how many of you would want to become successful in life? Good, good. Second thing that I would want to share over here is, whenever a question is asked by a teacher or a mentor or a speaker somewhere, please make it your habit of giving the answer. अगर आंसर सही है तो भी आपका फायदा होगा, अगर आंसर गलत है तो भी आपका फायदा होगा, लेकिन दोनों में आपका ही फायदा होगा. कैसे? अगर आपका आंसर सही है, then there will be an endorsement from your teacher, from your mentor, from the speaker. Yes, the answer is correct. That means the knowledge that is on in your head is the correct knowledge. अगर आंसर गलत है आपका, don't get depressed. The mentor, the speaker will give you the correct answer. So इससे फायदा ये होगा कि जो गलत आंसर था आपके दिमाग में, उसकी जगह you have got the new and the correct answer, which will be helpful to you in your life. So please, not only in this session, anywhere, remember to give answers whenever the questions are asked. And don't be shy. गलतियां अगर यहां पे करोगे तो बाहर नहीं करोगे. गलतियां अगर आप यहां पे करोगे तो बाहर नहीं करोगे. अगर यहां पे कुछ नहीं बोलोगे तो बात गलतियां करोगे. इसलिए remember, coming back again to SEO part, I asked a simple question and I was very surprised. I'm very sorry to say this thing. A renowned university of Ahmedabad, of Gujarat, of India, Nirma University, when I asked the dictionary meaning of the word optimization, I'm sorry to say, none of you raised the hand. None of you. All the English medium students, जो लोग बहुत ऊंचा करके कहते थे कि मैं निर्मा यूनिवर्सिटी का स्टूडेंट हूँ, लेकिन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन वर्ड का मीनिंग नहीं पता है. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द ऑप्टिमाइजेशन वर्ड का मीनिंग ऑफ गूगल और एसईओ, डिक्शनरी मीनिंग. Yes, yes, please. Not exactly. Well tried.
Get the best out of something.
Not the best output. Not the best output. Best is best. Optimize का मतलब क्या होता है? Very good. Efficient is almost correct. Yes, someone else read. Yes, please. Sorry? Anukurta. Okay. Anukurta is almost correct. I would say in the easy language, I would say न ज्यादा न कम, बीच में जो है that is optimization. न ज्यादा न कम, बीच में जो है that is optimization. अगर आप vehicle यूज करते हैं तो स्पीडोमीटर में you will find a green band. Okay, ग्रीन कलर का जो बैंड होगा स्पीडोमीटर पे, that is the optimum speed with which you must travel. आया समझ में? ऑप्टिमम से क्या होता है फायदा? मैक्सिमम एफिशिएंसी, मैक्सिमम माइलेज. गेटिंग इट? अगर आप ज्यादा करोगे तो माइलेज कम हो जाती है, अगर आप कम करोगे तो माइलेज कम हो जाती है. लेकिन आप ऑप्टिमाइज स्पीड जो ग्रीन बैंड है उसमें अगर ड्राइव करते हो तो आपको सबसे सही, सबसे मैक्सिमम माइलेज मिलती है. Getting it? So if you have understood the word optimization, now you apply it to search engine optimization. Now you should get a better view. Getting it? थोड़ा समझ में आ रहा है? Okay. So search engine optimization मतलब we need to do certain optimization by understanding the engine, search engine, and by understanding the search. Getting it? Clear? Okay. Now next one is सर्च इंजन की बात करते हैं, उसमें थोड़ा और डिटेल में लेते हैं. अंडरस्टैंडिंग सर्च इंजिन्स. अब उसके लिए फर्स्ट थिंग इज वी मस्ट डू द सर्च पार्ट. आई डू द लाइव सर्च. Just go through what is there on the screen. Okay, what do you see over here? One by one. Please raise your hand so that everybody can learn. Chaos मत बनाओ. One by one. बताइए. Who would want to share? What do you understand by this? First of all, what is this known as? Result. Okay. इसको simple language में result बोलते हैं. इसको technical language में क्या बोलते हैं? No. इसको चाहो तो आप नोट कर सकते हो. दिस इज नोन एज SERP, सर्च इंजन रिजल्ट पेज. SERP. And there will be hundreds of results, hundreds of pages of results, and this one is the first SERP. What is Nirma University? I did not like that, but I used certain number of words which were specific to the kind of information I wanted. Specific. Okay? तो मैंने लिखा Nirma University. And the best part of the search engine, Google search engine, is it has understood what you want. And it has given you exactly what you want. Okay? So, result page में, और उसमें भी first result page, which is very important. Why first SERP is very important? Why being on the first SERP is important, very important? Because none of us would ever go on the second page. Would ever go on the second page. तो मतलब अगर आप second page पे हो या second या third या जो भी है, then the chances are you will get only a few number of people looking at your link, and further a very few clicking your link. So everybody wants. Everybody everywhere in the world, they want themselves to come in the first SERP. And in the first SERP, that on the top part, on the first part, क्योंकि उसमें भी first, second, third, getting it? आप खुद try करना. आपने कभी 8वीं लिंक क्लिक नहीं की होगी. You will try at least first or second or third. और उसमें मिल जाता है तो आपने क्लिक कर दिया, बाकी सब गए. आप 8वीं तक तभी पहुंचोगे, 8वीं लिंक तक तभी पहुंचोगे जब आपको first 7 में नहीं मिली. Then only you will look for the 8th one. Or if the 8th one is attractive, it is pulling your attention, then you will click the 8th link. So if you want to become an expert in SEO, you must first try to understand, observe everything in detail. What is presented in the result, इससे सर्च इंजन के बारे में बहुत डिटेल में पता चलता है. Even without studying it, बहुत सारी चीज. सर्च इंजन में there is a right part जिसमें बहुत सारी डिटेल्स आती है, authentic details आती है. Okay, if you read the Google help, इसमें they will tell you that this part is known as, what is it known as? Any idea? इस राइट हैंड साइड में जो निर्मा यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में लिखा है, what is it known as? नॉलेज ग्राफ। नॉलेज ग्राफ, क्या ये नॉलेज ग्राफ सभी के लिए आता है? नो। किसके लिए आता है? फेमस। फेमस व्हाट? पर्सन, प्लेसेस, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा। गॉट इट? अब ये फेमस मशीन को कैसे पता चलेगा? इंजन को कैसे पता चलेगा? नो। अगर आप समझ रहे हो कि जिसने ज्यादा सर्च की है वो फेमस है, दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग विच वाज सर्च इज फेमस, नो। ऑथेंटिक इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए, ऑथेंटिक। ओके, दैट मीन्स Google has developed this algorithm based upon their search algorithm, whereby they will get the real photograph of the person, authentic information of the person. अगर आपने महात्मा गांधी लिखा तो महात्मा गांधी का करेक्ट फोटो आएगा और करेक्ट कंटेंट आएगा, डेट वगैरह आएगी, अगर उनका कोई वेबसाइट है तो वो सब आएगा। एंड दिस इज द ट्रस्टेड और ऑथेंटिक इंफॉर्मेशन। सो गूगल ने एक डेटाबेस मैनेज करके रखा हुआ है अलग से, जो इतने सारे वेबसाइट जो वो क्रॉल करता है, उसमें से वो कुछ जगह पे authentic information. Now can you imagine what kind of program must have been written? How did the Google engineers make the search engine understand that this is the right photo of Mahatma Gandhi, this is the right photo of Nirma University, this is the right date of Nirma University's establishment, this is the right address. Would you not want to have your company's knowledge graph? How many of you would want to have? है ना? अगर ऑथेंटिक, अब यहां तक पहुंचना है, यहां तक पहुंचना है। अब इसको कैसे पहुंचना है? I give you the tricks, I'll show you the tricks, but उसके लिए you must understand engine very well. So this was one part, and believe me my dear friends, आपने अभी तक गूगल यूज किया है, बट आपको अभी तक पता नहीं था कि व्हाट इज दिस नोन एज, और ना ही कभी जरूरत पड़ी, आई अंडरस्टैंड, बट अब जरूरत है, अब नीड है। यू वांट टू लर्न एसईओ, देन प्लीज लर्न समथिंग अबाउट नॉलेज ग्राफ। ओके, नॉलेज ग्राफ इज 100% authentic information of a person, of a place, etc., which is famous. ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो आपको रिजल्ट में मिलेगी। And mind you, Google is evolving every day. Every day they are updating their algorithms. Every day they are coding, they are improving the search engine. मतलब अगर आपने आज कोई रिजल्ट में कुछ देखा है, कल को शायद चेंज हो सकता है। Okay, they may introduce videos before the first link. They may introduce posters before the first link. They may introduce something else. Like for example, अभी second में you will see the tweets. यहाँ पर tweets आ रही है, the real time tweets. So real time tweets से आपको क्या पता चलता है? What is the first thing that should try strike in your mind? If you are owning a business, if you have a website, what is the first thing that should come in your mind when you see the result with tweets? Sorry? Latest update. So what that means what?
It is active.
Many people are active. They are seeing our company. They know about our company.
No. Please. I'll give credit to her. I will discredit all of you जिन्होंने ये साउट किया। The reason is very simple. At least मेरे कहने पर she was there to at least participate. और आप लोग जिन्होंने अभी शाउट किया, very disappointing action जो कभी नहीं होनी चाहिए। Okay. Anybody else would want to try?
Reviews.
Sorry.
Reviews about your company.
नहीं, from the business point of view, business owners point of view, मतलब मैं ऑनर हूँ, और मैंने ये पेज देखा, तो मेरे दिमाग में क्या आएगा?
Okay, when you see the tweets, you get the reviews about that.
नहीं,
Popularity.
sorry.
Audience.
Google, we are a little bit near. It should come in your mind that if I tweet something about my company, that is one easy way of getting on the first page. है ना? ये स्ट्राइक होना चाहिए, ये आपके दिमाग में स्ट्राइक होना चाहिए. अरे यार, मतलब इसमें ट्वीट आते हैं, तो why not I tell my 10 followers कि tweet something about my company. है ना? और why not instead of telling them tweeting, why not I offer a tweet competition. इस बहाने भी ज्यादा ट्वीट्स आएंगे, automatically Google will realize, please pay attention, automatically people will realize, or automatically Google will realize, and it will show the tweet on the first page. Got it? Same way. Now if you scroll down, here is the Wikipedia link of Nirma University. Then there is a college search link. College search है. Then there is Career 360. So if I am a new university, what will I do? I will do the search of a prominent university. Competitive analysis. I will do a competitors analysis. कि निर्मा यूनिवर्सिटी का देखते हैं, उसमें कैसे आता है. उसमें आया, पता चला कि कॉलेज सर्च वाली वेबसाइट है, उसकी लिंक थर्ड एंट्री पे है. तो आपके दिमाग में क्या आना चाहिए? कॉलेज सर्च वाली जो वेबसाइट है, उसमें आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी का भी एक पेज बना दो, है ना? या इफ इट्स येलो पेजेस, तो आपके बिजनेस का भी उसमें लिस्टिंग कर दो. समझ में आ रहा है? आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. कुछ लोग ऐसे कर रहे हैं, मतलब समझ में आ रहा है. ट्रिक्स मैं बता रहा हूं आपको. अंडरस्टैंडिंग द सर्च इंजन रिजल्ट पेज. अगर उसमें लिंक्डइन की है, लिंक्डइन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू यू गाइस, स्टूडेंट्स. मेनी ऑफ यू मे बी लुकिंग फॉर जॉब्स or connecting with the right people. Authentic data of people is available in LinkedIn. Okay? And if you want yourself to be personally branded, then LinkedIn is the best platform. अगर आप अपने नाम की सर्च करना, तो उसमें आप देखोगे LinkedIn जो है वो फर्स्ट, सेकंड या थर्ड पोजीशन में आ जाती है, provided you have created your LinkedIn profile. So instead of creating a website of yours, even if you create a LinkedIn profile of yours, LinkedIn will take care of all the search engine optimization, and Google will show you on the first page. Google will show you on the first page. So the first assignment for you people, a small assignment, all who are very interested, try to get all the 10 links. Normally सर्च इंजन रिजल्ट पेज में फर्स्ट पेज पे ऑन एन एवरेज 10 लिंक्स आती है, 10 रिजल्ट्स आते हैं. ट्राई टू गेट ऑल द 10 इन योर लिंक. समझ आ रहा है? कोई भी आपका नाम टाइप करे, फुल नेम, सरनेम, गूगल पे जो लिस्ट आ रहा है फर्स्ट सर्च इंजन रिजल्ट पेज, उस पे all the links are yours, then you are a good SEO guy. Now you cannot have 10 pages of your website to be shown on the first page. Google is not that silly. वो 10 के आपके वेबसाइट के 10 पेज नहीं दिखाएगा, वो आपकी वेबसाइट से एक ही पेज उठाएगा जो सबसे सुटेबल है. तो बाकी लिंक्स कहां से? तो एक फेसबुक से लाओ, एक ट्विटर से लाओ, एक लिंक्डइन से लाओ, एक यूट्यूब में छोटा सा वीडियो बना दो. आ रहा है समझ में? So this is SEO. This is search engine optimization. Personal branding का मैंने थोड़ा आपको idea दे दिया. So if you want to really get a good job, nowadays HR managers, HR team है, they interview you on social media. अगर first thing is they would, before they call you physically for the interview, they will look at your social profiles. How do they get the social profiles? Either they ask you the links or they search on Google and get your links. If they search on the Google and if they don't get the link, you're already filtered. If they search and if they find interesting links of yours, they will go again in depth. फिर वहाँ पर you have written a good content, वहाँ पर you have really put some good video of yours, वहाँ पर you have shared your knowledge. If it's a tweet, they see the content of the tweet. वहाँ से they will judge. Okay, this person is having sound knowledge. So these are the ways. The ways people are selected is not just your aptitude and aptitude test. No, it is more beyond that. And a smart guy will do this. He will learn SEO and he will use this SEO at least for the personal branding. But for that, you must understand what is SEO and what is search engine result page. Got it? So, समझ में आ रहा है? Okay. थोड़ा और डिटेल में जाना पड़ेगा. You must try to understand what is the title, the things that you see in the blue color. Blue color में जो है, that is title. Okay? Now that is actually when you visit a page, जब आप क्लिक करके वो पेज को विजिट करेंगे, that is the title of the page. Okay? Now, if you want that people should search for Mitesh Sanghvi SEO, then I should write the page title where I include the word Mitesh Sanghvi SEO. I'm making it easy for engine to know that I am an SEO guy. Why? Because I have put the information in the page title. This is one small part. It does not mean it's 100% guarantee कि वो आ ही जाएगा. But at least हम try कर सकते हैं. हम try कर सकते हैं. Okay? So every small thing counts. What I mean over here is, when you look at the search engine result page from now onwards, try to observe each and everything. Okay? इसमें अगर आप ध्यान से देखेंगे, तो जहां-जहां निर्मा यूनिवर्सिटी वर्ड आता है, जहां-जहां निर्मा यूनिवर्सिटी वर्ड आता है, वो बोल्ड है. वो बोल्ड है. आपने कभी ये ध्यान से देखा था? इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि these are the words which you had searched. आपने जो सर्च बार में जो वर्ड्स लिखे थे वो हाईलाइट होके आ रहे हैं. ओके? कई बार यू विल बी सरप्राइज कि जो आपने टाइप नहीं किया है वो भी बोल्ड होके आ रहा है. एग्जाम्पल, आपने लिखा था ईट. योर सर्च फ्रेज जो आपने वर्ड्स लिखे थे, इट वॉज वेयर शुड आई ईट टुडे. ओके? उसने दिखाया रेस्टोरेंट. उसने दिखाया रिजल्ट पेज में एक रेस्टोरेंट की लिंक, इसमें रेस्टोरेंट वर्ड जो है वो हाईलाइट हुआ है. So this is where the Google has evolved. This is where the search engines have evolved. That means they have now started gathering certain intelligence. This kind of intelligence is known as semantic words. Okay? So that means अगर आपने पढ़ा है कहीं पर कि SEO में आप जो भी वर्ड लाना चाहते हो वो वर्ड बार बार लिखो, नो, दैट इज रॉन्ग. सिमिलर वर्ड्स. ओके? गूगल इज नाउ इंटेलिजेंट इनफ. अगर आपने वेदर का पूछा है तो वो कुछ और वेदर रिलेटेड भी दिखाएगा, भले उसमें वेदर वर्ड न हो. गेटिंग इट? सो दैट इज वेयर द बेस्ट पार्ट इज. So try to observe these kind of things in the search engine result page. समझ में आ रहा है? Clear? Okay. Next, I just I've written down the points. Just let me recollect so that we don't fall short of time. Okay. Next one is human search behavior. Before that, let me tell you one important word that comes in SEO. SEO टर्मिनोलॉजी में एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड आता है और वो वर्ड का नाम है कीवर्ड. Keyword is very important term in SEO. What do we mean by keyword? First of all, keyword is not only a single word. जब हम keyword बोलते हैं, it does not mean only a single word. Keyword is a phrase, it is a group of words. Abhi, for example, whatever you have written in the search engine bar is known as keyword. So over here in this example, what is the keyword? Nirma University. Okay? If somebody had written Nirma University Ahmedabad, then the keyword was Nirma University Ahmedabad. Now from the businessman point of view, what comes in your mind when you learn this? From the businessman point of view.
The keyword should be in my website setting or everything.
Somewhat right. He said the keyword should be somewhere in the heading of the web page or something like that. Somewhat right. Think. Try karo. From the businessman's point of view, what should come in your mind when you hear or when you learn what is keyword? Yes, please. Very good.
Easy to remember.
Should be easy to remember. Yes. Why it should be easy to remember?
So that we can do it fast.
Because humans have tendency to do the easy things. Okay, अब complex keyword सोचते हो कि ये complex keyword टाइप करेंगे और मेरी वेबसाइट पे आएंगे, nobody will do that. Okay, people will always type the easy words in shortest number of words. है ना? So wonderful, good try. What else? From the business point of view, yes. Relevant to what? Yes, relevant to your business is. Think from the business point of view, customer point of view मत सोचो. मैं बोल रहा हूँ मेरा बिजनेस है. मेरा बिजनेस है दूध बेचने का. Suppose. और मेरी वेबसाइट है. And then if I learn what is keyword, what will come in my mind? In my mind it will come that what are the relevant keywords for my business? What are the relevant keywords for my business? List down. उसको list बनाओ. Amul milk, Amul gold milk, Amul taza, etc. समझ में आ रहा है? Now, these are the keywords that you are expecting the visitors or your potential customers to type, and in their results your website link will come. समझ में आ रहा है कीवर्ड क्या हुआ? Getting it? अब समझो. Now this is the best part. If you are hiring a person who is a technical guy, doesn't have any knowledge of your business, will he be able to make a list of your keywords? It is only you, the business owner, or the ones who know the business correctly, ones who know the product or services correctly, one who knows the target group of people, your customers correctly, will be able to list out. I understand. So very important word is keyword. If you can list down the best of the best of the best keywords for your website, for your business, or if it is a personal thing, then if it's your personal brand, then for you, then you must start working backwards on doing search engine optimization based on those keywords. Based on those keywords. That means you are expecting people to write those keywords and your result, your website link should come in the first page. Got it? समझ आ रहा है? अब इसके लिए जो मैडम ने बताया था, human behavior. Human behavior is very much needed. You must understand what your potential customer is going to type. That means look from the other's point of view. Not you are going to type. There is no point of you searching for your business on Google. No. You search for somebody else's business. Okay? So, from the other's point of view, if you are able to make the list, then that is possible only if you understand the humans. Because humans are going to type the keyword. Humans, not machine. Humans are going to type the keyword in Google search. So you must try to understand your customer. For example, if you are doing the business related to Aadhaar card, then you may also try. Okay, there are 60% of Aadhaar card owners or users who are in villages, who may not know English. Then your keyword can be in Hindi also. Why? Don't miss that part. कि कई लोग हिंदी में टाइप करके हिंदी में आधार लिखेंगे गूगल सर्च में, तो भी आपकी इंग्लिश वाली वेबसाइट उसको दिखनी चाहिए लिस्ट में. गेटिंग इट? सो थिंक बियॉन्ड. जब आप ये पेज देख रहे हो तो सिर्फ निर्मल यूनिवर्सिटी का रिजल्ट मत देखो, इसके पीछे जो साइंस है, गूगल का साइंस, उसको अंडरस्टैंड करने की ट्राई करो. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इंजन इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग. अगर वो फॉर्मूला आपके समझ में आ गया ना, दिस इज लाइक फॉर्मूला वन में जो ड्राइवर होता है ना, वो इज द विनर. ही अंडरस्टैंड्स कि इसको इंजन को कैसे ट्यूनिंग करना है. ही अंडरस्टैंड्स कि कितनी ब्रेक लगाऊंगा तो ये गाड़ी ऐसे चलेगी. एज वन बिकॉज ही अंडरस्टैंड्स, ही विंस. सेम वे यू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड गूगल कि इसके पीछे क्या है, और बस उसको जो चाहिए वैसा तो. Getting it? So understand the human behavior. Very important, human behavior, very important for understanding search engine optimization. Okay, next one. Search trends. अगर आप see, normally people will, what is the majority of the people, what do they search? I'm not talking about particular thing, even give me a category also. What do people normally search? Yes, please. Lifestyle. Don't go for any particular thing like that. I'm talking about something like every day we will be searching for lifestyle. News, current thing, understood? ये दिमाग में आना चाहिए. This is what I wanted. News, okay? Now, अगर इन्होंने लाइफस्टाइल बोला होता और आपने लाइफस्टाइल के ऊपर ही सोचा होता, then it was limited. लेकिन news everybody, see normally you see search में आप देखोगे majority of the people are searching for the current topic, है ना? And that is applicable every minute, every day, and 365 days a year. So that means they are the needy ones. So if you understand that there are people who are looking for news, and if you can play around with it, if you can tap the traffic, आपने कई लोगों कई बार देखा होगा स्पेलिंग होता है, न्यूज आता है किसी और के बारे में, कमेंट में कुछ और आ जाता है और उसके साथ एक लिंक आ जाती है, खास करके फ्री में आईफोन. What are they doing? What are they doing? They are misusing it. They are misusing it, but they are trying to divert the traffic. They are trying to divert the traffic. सबसे easiest तरीका. Okay? It's like निर्मा यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में कोई गेट पे पूछ रहा है, वहां पे जो खड़ा है वो बोल रहा है कि निर्मा यूनिवर्सिटी उस तरफ है और उस तरफ वहां उसकी यूनिवर्सिटी है. Getting it? So it is like that. So what I'm telling you is try to understand this human behavior और उसके साथ साथ ये जो चीज है बहुत जरूरी चीज है ट्रैफिक. Try to understand what kind of people are searching, what kind of queries they are raising, what kind of keywords they are typing. Okay? And can you get something? Like on a Valentine's Day, you will find everyone searching for Valentine wallpaper, Valentine ringtone or something like that. Okay? So there are so many bloggers who just earn dollars by creating a website because they have understood the keywords and they have done the SEO for that particular keyword. And their website will rank on the first page and people will visit and they will earn through various advertisements. So this is one way. This is one way. But from a business point of view, अगर आपका कोई business है, आपका you are manufacturing some automotive part, it may not so happen that every day, every minute somebody is querying for your automotive part. No. That means over there you will have to form a strategy whereby a person who is looking for mileage can also be diverted to your site and explain that your mileage will come only if you use my automotive part. Getting it? So try to understand these things. अब इसमें जो मैंने अभी टॉपिक जो बोला है, the topic I'm talking about is trends. How many of you use Twitter? Okay. If you are using Twitter और Twitter में जब आप सर्च बटन दबाते हो, you get a list of hashtags and other words. Okay? That is the list of the words which are trending right now. Facebook में भी जब आप सर्च करते हो तो बगल में you will see various उसमें heading दिया हुआ है trending. That means try to understand what world is searching right now. Okay? And if you have a website which is related to that, why not to use it? Why not to use that free traffic coming down? Why not to update? Why not to tweet about your part and link it with that hashtag? Okay? So these are the ways where you can optimize. And the best part is understanding trends. Okay? अब Google में trends आपको study करना हो, then you search for Google trends in Google search. Google search के अंदर Google trends करके आप search करो, you will get a website. Google की website है, उसमें they will give you complete knowledge of what is being searched across the world in a specific zone, in a specific country, etc., etc. In a specific age range, in a specific time frame. I want to know what is being searched in last 6 months in India. आपने देखा होगा कई बार when the year changes, calendar year changes होता है, January में particularly print media में आता है कि इस बार लोगों ने महेंद्र धोनी के बारे में सबसे ज्यादा सर्च किया. So how did that happen? Because Google disclosed based upon the kind of queries that they have received. Okay, these are the list of keywords which were searched, which were trending at that point of time. Okay? Based upon that, if you look at it, you will get lot of ideas. You will get lot of ideas. Try to encash those ideas. वो जो ideas आपको आते हैं उसको encash कर लो. इससे बहुत फायदा होगा. इससे you will be able to generate the traffic to your website. Okay? Okay. Now coming to the main part, कि ये सब तो ज्ञान की बातें हो गई, आप इसको कैसे एक्चुअली करते हैं? How do we do it? It's like building a website. Your SEO starts with the things that I've told earlier, and actually it starts, the technical part starts with building the website, your own website, your own business website, your personal website, etc. Let us do one analogy. Suppose if you are to build your house, how will you build your house? How will you think of building your house? Yes, please. You will hire an architect. Okay. सपनों का घर सुना होगा? सपनों का घर होता है. अब उसके लिए पहले क्या होना चाहिए? सपने. सपनों के घर के लिए पहले क्या होना चाहिए? That means अब सपनों का घर या सपनों की वेबसाइट. I want my website to be best. I want my business to flourish through my website. If you want your business to flourish with your website, ये आपका ड्रीम है, then similarly like you have a dream of building a house, the first thing that you do is you try to observe the existing house. है ना? You look through the magazines में आप देखते हो यार ये फोटो, ये घर बहुत अच्छा लगा है, इसको सेव करके रख देता हूँ. या फिर आपने कहीं पर बैनर में देखा होगा, या कहीं पर आपने रियल में देखा होगा. ओके, कई बार वो फीलिंग्स आती है कि यार मैं अपना घर बनाऊंगा तो उसमें मैं ऐसे ही फ्रेम रखूंगा या ऐसे ही कलर में यूज करूंगा. That means what? That means what? Okay, you are going to build your house one day and you have started fixing the things. Okay, I have this kind of sofa set, I have this kind of TV, I'll place my TV on the wall or I'll place my TV on the ceiling, कुछ भी, whatever it is. But then, based upon the current, you are trying to bring together things that you want for you in future. Okay? Why did I tell you this thing? Because the current topic that we are talking about is building your websites. अब समझ में आ रहा है? अगर आपकी वेबसाइट बनानी है, the best part would be what? The first part should be what? From the business owner's point of view. Look at the other's website. Okay? Look at the other's website. अब others website मतलब क्या हुआ? आज मेरे को घर बनाना है, तो क्या आज मैं देखने जाऊंगा सब कुछ? What you will do is you will try to take the book out, या you will try to search in your laptop कि वो जो मैंने 10 दिन पहले वो जो फोटो सेव किया था. समझ में आ रहा है? That means if you want to build a website today, your own website, you will have to start observing the websites, other websites way before. What does it mean? From today itself. From today itself, try to observe the website. जो दिखता है वो मत देखो. जो दिखता है वो मत देखो, उसके पीछे क्या है वो देखो. अब वो कैसे? Now there are n number of websites available right now. Okay, some websites will have good templates. Some websites will have very good templates. Try to save that particularly. Screenshot ले लेते हैं. Okay. Same way you try to postmortem. क्या इसकी वेबसाइट पे जो टाइमर आता है वो बहुत बढ़िया है. इसकी वेबसाइट पे वो ग्राफिक्स अच्छे हैं. इसकी वेबसाइट बहुत क्लीन है. ये मेरे को बहुत अपील कर रही है. इसकी वेबसाइट के फॉन्ट अच्छे हैं, फॉन्ट्स. इसकी वेबसाइट पे कलर यूज बहुत अच्छा यूज किया, लेवेंडर कलर यूज किया, लाइट लेवेंडर बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. So try to note each and everything. If you note all these things, then only you will be able to, either you yourself will be able to design the website if you are a designer, or at least as a business owner you will be able to give a brief to your designer. आप डिजाइनर को ब्रीफ दे पाओगे कि भैया ये वेबसाइट लिंक है, इस पे जाओ, उसने जो फॉन्ट यूज किया है वो मेरे को चाहिए. ये वेबसाइट लिंक है, इसने वहां पे जो फोटो दिया है वैसा मेरे को, मेरे फोटो इफेक्ट चाहिए. Getting it? So this is one way. As a business owner, you understand all these things and do it yourself. If you are a IT guy, and if you are not an IT guy, at least you can give it to your team. Okay? So this is one way. Now tell me, my dear friends, when you visit a website, how many of you ever felt to know कि ये वेबसाइट किसमें बनी है? Tell me seriously, how many of you felt कि ये वेबसाइट आपको बहुत अच्छी लगी हो, आपको you would want to know कि ये वेबसाइट किसमें बनी है, कौन से प्लेटफॉर्म पे बनी है, कौन सी लैंग्वेज में बनी है, या एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. अब उसका एक बहुत ही इजी तरीका है, आपको किसी को पूछने की जरूरत नहीं है. आई एम गिविंग यू सर्टेन ट्रिक्स. एक ट्रिक है, देयर इज अ एक्सटेंशन, गूगल क्रोम एक्सटेंशन है. प्लीज पे अटेंशन. देयर इज अ गूगल क्रोम एक्सटेंशन बाय द नेम वेपलाइजर. WAPPLYZER. Okay, now click the Nirma University website. I have clicked the Nirma University website. I would want to know कि Nirma University website जिसने भी डिजाइन की है, आपके जो IT डिपार्टमेंट है, Nirma University या कोई डिजाइनर है, जो भी है, उसने क्या यूज किया था? Was it a PHP? Was it a .NET? या was it this? Was it that? Etc. etc. WordPress था या ये था, जो भी है. You would want to know. उसका जो तरीका है, that is that extension. Now this website has used font awesome. Google font API यूज कर रहा है. IIS में बना है, .NET है. Microsoft ASP.NET में बना है. Twitter Bootstrap फ्रेमवर्क यूज किया है. jQuery यूज किया है. Windows बेस्ड सर्वर पे है, Linux पे नहीं है. Wherever this website is hosted. Getting it? Similarly, if you visit a website of, सपोज अपनी इंडिया की कंट्री है, गवर्नमेंट वेबसाइट, क्या फेमस वेबसाइट्स है, जो भी गूगल की वेबसाइट पे जाके सर्च कर सकते. सो यू वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी स्टैक these websites are using. इसको भी नोट कर लो. सो इट्स एन इजी थिंग. मैंने क्या किया है, जस्ट इंस्टॉल दैट वेपलाइजर एक्सटेंशन. क्रोम का एक्सटेंशन है. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू डोंट नो व्हाट इज क्रोम एक्सटेंशन? बताइए, खुल के बताइए. क्रोम एक्सटेंशन क्या है, नहीं पता? क्रोम एक्सटेंशन क्या है, मैं बताता हूं. सिंपल. ध्यान से देखिए, ये जो मेरे एरो एरो मैंने जहाँ पर पॉइंट किया है, ये जो बटन आपको दिख रहे हैं, ये जो बटन, these are add-ons. जो एक्सप्लोरर जो ब्राउजर है, क्रोम ब्राउजर, उसमें एडिशनल फंक्शंस चाहिए आपको. तो दैट एडिशनल फंक्शंस कैन बी इंस्टॉल्ड वाया एक्सटेंशंस which are known as Chrome extensions. Okay, so if you Google search में आप टाइप करोगे, Google search में Chrome extension Webalizer, तो it will give you link. वहाँ पर इंस्टॉल बटन होगा. जैसे आप इंस्टॉल क्लिक करोगे, ऑटोमेटिकली आपको बटन आ जाएगा. So now, whichever website you visit, you can just click the button और आपके सामने पूरा स्टेप. तो now can you imagine, आपकी वेबसाइट, आपकी बिजनेस वेबसाइट आपको 2 साल के बाद बनानी है. From today, if you start this thing, you will get a very good list of understanding कि यार इसने फोन यूज किया था, इसने ये फोन यूज किया, फॉन्ट ऑसम ये है, और तो आप अपने डिजाइनर को बता दो फॉन्ट ऑसम ऐसा. So this is one way. Second and the easy trick is what? Press Ctrl U. Press Ctrl U. How many of you are from computers? Ctrl U. समझ में आया? कोई भी वेबसाइट का पोस्टमार्टम करना हो, कंट्रोल यू दबा दो. इन whichever ब्राउजर, इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर, क्रोम या कोई भी, सब में कंट्रोल यू ही है. दिस इज व्यू पेज सोर्स. इसमें अगर आपको थोड़ा बहुत कोडिंग आता है, इसमें अगर आपने वर्ड्स भी यूज देख लिए तो भी आपका काम बन जाता है. Why am I telling you? Why am I showing you this thing? This has got nothing to do with SEO, but it has to do something with SEO. Why? Because this key first, see now how do you use it? 3DS में बताया ना, एप्लीकेशन बहुत जरूरी है, नॉलेज जरूरी नहीं है, एप्लीकेशन बहुत जरूरी है. सेम वे ये नॉलेज तो आ गया, एप्लीकेशन क्या है इसका? हाउ डू वी अप्लाई? एप्लीकेशन इज वेरी सिंपल. लुक एट योर कॉम्पिटिटर्स, सर्च फॉर योर कॉम्पिटिटर ऑन गूगल सर्च. जो वेबसाइट की लिंक्स आ रही है, उस वेबसाइट को विजिट करो, उसका बैकग्राउंड स्टडी कर लो, कॉपी कर लो. अगर गूगल उसको फर्स्ट पेज पे ला सकता है तो हमको क्यों नहीं? Getting it? Easiest way. So this is one trick of doing a smart SEO. Simple. Build a website which is having the best of the best parts from the best of the best websites which you already visited. जो ऑलरेडी सर्च रिजल्ट में आती है वेबसाइट, उसमें कुछ तो अच्छा होगा ना, तभी तो गूगल ने सिलेक्ट किया है. इट कुड बी आइदर कंटेंट, इट कुड बी प्रोडक्ट, और इट कुड बी डिजाइन आल्सो. डिजाइन आल्सो हैज सर्टेन वेटेज. ओके, तो अगर इफ दैट वेबसाइट लिंक इज कमिंग ऑन द फर्स्ट SERP, दैट मींस व्हाई नॉट टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ वेबसाइट इट इज एंड व्हाट इज इट बिल्ट ऑन. Why not to build the same way? Got it? So this will help you in, this is ultimately helping you, these small things will ultimately help you get your website from the 100th result page to the first result page. Getting it? पहले result page पे लाने के लिए जो छोटी चीजें आपको करनी है, वो ये सब है. Clear? Okay, next.